Here we have the 2021 GMC Canyon Denali. And this one's a four-wheel drive model. Comes in Hunter Metallic on gray perforated leather seats. You've got that 3.6 liter V6 made it to the 8-speed automatic transmission. And not many changes for the 21 model other than a slight facelift, as you can see right there. Kind of got that Denali grille, similar to those on the new Sierra Denalis. Gonna get a close-up of these 20-inch wheels. Got your running boards there. Then you've got your spray-in bed liner with Denali embroidered in it. Of course, your power door locks, power windows, power mirrors. There's your power driver's seat with power lumbar support. And there's your rear seat there. So not the best rear seat room, but if I scooted the seat up a little bit more, you could fit an adult back there. Not a very large one, but an adult nonetheless. And then there's your power passenger seat. And as you can see, it also has a power lumbar. Gonna hop in the cockpit. And to start off with, of course, you've got your Bose sound system here. And you've got your navigation system. And along with that, you've got AM, FM, XM, and Bluetooth audio. You've got your standard backup camera there. Single zone automatic climate control. And then here you've got your parking sensors, which you can toggle on and off, your lane keep assist, tow haul mode, and then most importantly, you've got your heated and cooled seat controls here. And there's your shifter with your wireless charging port. And as you can see, Denali is stitched in the headrest. And then in the rear seat, there's also under the seat cushions a little storage there that you can kind of hide stuff in, jackets, things of that nature. And then there is your owner's manual inside the glove compartment. You've got your cruise controls, your forward collision alert, gap adjust, heated steering wheel toggle, your Bluetooth and gauge cluster controls. And of course, you've got your track list buttons behind the steering wheel on the left, then your volume buttons behind the steering wheel on the right. And then we're just gonna take a look at that 3.6 liter V6. And there's your 3.6 liter V6. And next we're gonna go ahead, take this Canyon Denali out on the road for a quick test drive. So out the gate, it already seems like the Canyon drives pretty similar to the 2020 model, which it should, seeing as there weren't any huge mechanical changes to it, just the facelift. Got the same infotainment system, same shifter, same steering wheel. Everything's pretty much identical other than the outside and really only the front. So the engine and transmission already, you can tell they're the exact same. So pickup is decent, especially for a truck. And it does ride fairly smoothly, just as long as you're careful with the gas pedal. And the seats are fairly comfortable. One thing I will say is the cooled seat is definitely pretty strong. It's loud, but at the same time, it's not just making noise. It is actually blowing the fan, and that's what you're hearing. And the ride has been surprisingly smooth coming down the interstate. And braking is pretty good, similar to the 2020 model. Yeah, if you're careful with the pedal, I'm doing that because I didn't want to have to put gas in here just yet, but when you're light with the pedal, you actually get pretty good gas mileage as opposed to driving the heck out of it. I will give it throttle here though. So definitely decent. Here. And one thing I've noticed, I don't know if it's just a coincidence, but the outgoing models, they did have a little bit of trouble just, especially when you first got them. I don't know if it was breaking them in or whatever, but the transmission would just be kind of clunky. But this has been smooth the entire ride. I'm gonna test the lane keep assist. So I don't know if it has to read the road or whatever, but it did absolutely nothing there. All right, there it went. So yeah, an overall pretty smooth ride. And I don't know if it's because the road has been fixed around here. They've been doing a lot of construction, but coming down this back road does feel smoother than it was in the 2020. And here we come to an end of my test drive and review of the 2021 GMC Canyon Denali.